Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on Android. Emulation lets you enjoy classic console games on your modern mobile device. To get started, you'll need an Android phone or tablet, a suitable emulator application, and the game's ROM file. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can relive those nostalgic moments right in your hand. It's a straightforward process to set up. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Many options exist, but Mupen 64 plus FZ is a highly recommended choice, known for its performance and features. When selecting, always check user reviews and ensure the application is regularly updated. Compatibility with your specific Android device, whether it's a phone or tablet, is also very important for optimal gameplay. Next, you'll need the Super Mario 64 game ROM. While these files are widely available online, remember that legally, you should own the original game cartridge to possess a ROM. Search for the game's ROM file, often found in formats such as .N64 or .Z64. Always download from reputable sources to avoid any potential issues with corrupted files. With your emulator installed and ROM acquired, it's time to set up. First, install your chosen emulator from the Google Play Store. Then, transfer the Super Mario 64 ROM file to a specific folder on your Android device, often within the emulator's directory. Finally, open the emulator, load the ROM, and configure your on-screen or external controller settings for the best possible gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.